Welcome to Las Vegas Morning Kung Fu channel. This is sifu JJ. Today I'm so excited to present you the lesson 6, training Jet Li form for 30 days. The day 1. Let's go. 按报，同学们好。You answer me, 老师好。So now follow me to do the Jet Li's form 长拳 part 1. So Jet Li is the legend of Kung Fu. He's the best action star. He's very fast. He's very strong. His form wasn't easy. But no problem. I broke it down his form for 30 pieces. So each day I bring one piece with details. So step by step, follow me. We will be achieve this together. Let's start the first move of Jet Li Chang Quan, the opening move. 提膝亮掌 So follow me now. 提膝亮掌上 So let's figure out how to do with your hands and also your knee lift. Right? One thing at a time. So your right hand go up and rotate, open 90 degree and pull back. This is elbow back and your hand right this way. So this can be a blocking move or attack by elbow. So go 1, 2, 3. So this is the right hand. So let's do again. 1, 2, 3. And also you can make 1, 2. So make a quick turn and make your hand go outside. So remember, your power still out of your surface of your palm. So very important, your finger together and tight. So you go very tight like that. So with the full speed, we'll be just go 1. So really tight, and this can be blocking and this can be attack. So go whoom. So go up and turn. So make 1, 2. You make a 1. Go 1. Very good. So let's figure out your left hand how to go. Just go up and make 180 turn. Go up 1 and 2 and power out flat straight. Right? So go 1, 2, 3. So you can just make this as 2, 1, 2, and go 1, 2, and with the full speed will be 1, and go 1, and go 1. Okay, good job. So now follow me to put both hands together. So a twist and go. Both hands go up. 1, 2, and 3. And also your high step, follow your left hand. Follow the action where it goes to. Right? And go. 1, 2, 3. Right? To go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. So let's do a full speed. Become both hands. Just go quick, go up and rotate and to become 1. Right? So let's go. And go 1. So remember that. Go 1. Like that, and remember your shoulder down, very important. Don't make too tight, right? Just go down like that. So go 1. So remember, we're learning from the past lessons. Very important to keep your jing qi shen, the spirit, the power, the energy. Very important. So your eye is the window of your soul. So have to be really focused and strong, like martial arts eye, right? So go. How to make your hand and plus your leg. For the movement, your both hand go up. Same time you do knee lift by your right leg. So your right leg and go up with knee lift. So your knee lift up, go high you can, and toe point like this way, like a blocking. If someone go kicking you, so you go boom. So blocking. So you got to blocking this way. So go keep strong with the knee. So you can practice like this. So couple times with your condition to make good balance and strong your leg and better control. So first move, you got to bend your knee and toe point. And just left of your ground, you feel you get balance and you make your knee keep straight direction, go up and toe point and go high you can. Very good. And go down. Right? Do again. So go 1, toe point, by your knee, and 2, and go up, and go down. That would be a great way you put a hand with a certain level, let your knee to touch. So you have to go to practice how high you can go. So the first maybe lower is okay. So with the practice, you can raise your hand, go higher, higher. So let's go lower. So go 1, toe point by your knee and knee lift. Perfect. And now I go a little bit higher. So 1 by your knee, 2, right there. Very good. So I go a little bit higher. So you go 1 and 2 and hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, with the weight training, you will have better knee lift. The hands and also your knee lift together as the opening movement to achieve today's goal. The opening movement, Jet Li Chang Quan, move 1. 1, both hand, 2, same time. Bend your knee, toe point. And 2 and 3 and get up and your eye. So very important, you gotta keep your balance and you lean your body a little bit forward. You say this way and shoulder down. So you make good balance and good tension like Jet Li, right? Go 1 and 2. 1, 2. Very nice job. So you achieve the first movement of Jet Li's form, chang quan. Those things can help you. So keep practice your knee lifts with your balance daily. So maybe you can to start with 10 seconds and 15 seconds and 20 seconds. You just add on once you feel comfortable and then have better control. Great work, my friend. So the last thing I want to say, learning to enjoy something good from each day. And nothing better than learning Jet Li form each day. So I see you in next video. Thank you. 报，同学们再见。You say 老师再见。拜拜。